Congratulations, you just became a billionaire. $1 billion sitting in your account right now. You think this is the best day of your life. You have no idea what is coming. First thing you do? Check your phone. 127 missed calls. People you have not spoken to in years. Your cousin who never replies to messages. Your old college friend who borrowed money and disappeared. They all found out. They always find out. You hire security, buy a new house, get a driver. Done in 48 hours. Easy. But nothing else will be. Here is what nobody tells you about $1 billion. Your money grows faster than you can spend it. Even sitting in basic investments, you make tens of thousands every single day. You wake up richer than when you fell asleep. Every single morning, without lifting a finger. But you want coffee, just coffee. From the place you love for years, your security team needs 45 minutes notice. When you walk in, everyone stops talking. The barista hands are shaking. Someone is filming you from behind a laptop. You get your coffee. It tastes the same, but nothing around you does. So you stop going. Forever. Then your friends start disappearing. The ones who stay sound different. Careful. Like they are weighing every word before saying it. You invite your best friend over. He agrees with everything you say. Laughs at jokes that are not funny. Never pushes back on anything. He used to argue with you about everything. Movies, food, politics. That was the whole friendship. That friendship is gone now. You send your brother $3 million because he was struggling. He does not call to say thank you. At the next family dinner, he sits at the far end of the table, looks at his plate, leaves before dessert without saying goodbye. Your mother calls later, quiet voice. She says your brother told everyone you ruined the family when the money came. One Tuesday night, you take your private yacht out alone. Dinner for one. Ocean so blue it looks fake. Sunset turning everything gold. Chef trained in Michelin star kitchens. The table is set for one. You get back to your mansion. 63 people work there. You are the only one who lives there. You lie in bed, ceiling very white, 3 a.m., wide awake. The stars outside are the same stars you watched when you were broke. Same sky, same silence. Everything underneath them has changed. Subscribe, because next Wednesday I am showing you the one thing billionaires wish they knew before the money came. You do not want to miss that. See you Wednesday.